Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're gonna try to attempt to make flan. Yeah, I've never made flan before, but I always wanted to learn, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what we need to make the flan, so let's go. Guys, these are the items. We got eggs, vanilla, salt, evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, some water, and some sugar. But I am going to be using a recipe that I saw on Instagram. This is the video, so please make sure to follow them and give them a like on their videos. But there is a little bit of a hiccup. I don't have a cake pan like the round ones. I don't have a round cake pan. We're gonna have to improvise. So this is what I got going, okay? I got 4 little trays and then a big little pan to put the water bath in, you know? But yeah, I'm really hoping that it'll turn out okay. Okay y'all, so sorry for the lighting, but for this video we are going to be angled down for you to see what I'm doing for the flan, you know? Okay bestie, so first what we're going to do is we're going to grab a small pot like this, put it over medium heat, and we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Add it right in there, just like that. And then we're gonna grab, it's a little full, but 1/4 cup of water and just add that in. Then we're just gonna swirl this around. We do not want to grab like a spoon or anything to mix this. We're just gonna swirl it, put it back down, swirl it again, maybe like every, I'm gonna say 5 to 10 seconds. And we're gonna really look for that amberish color into our caramel. Okay besties, so when your caramel is starting to bubble like this, you really need to pay attention and keep a close eye to make sure you don't burn your caramel. And you can also just swirl it around, make sure everything is mixed. But yeah, I'll come back to show you how it's supposed to look like. Okay y'all, I'm pretty sure I did this so wrong because my sugar looks like this now. So we're just gonna start over again. Same recipe. Okay, part 2. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do is just keep swirling. Okay y'all, so this is the color we are looking for. Ooh, be very careful, it's very hot, but I'm gonna start pouring it into the containers. But be very careful, it's very hot, but we're gonna try to coat all the sides and all the bottom. Gonna bake. See, don't do that. All right besties, so definitely pour it 1 at a time. I was only able to get 1 perfectly like coated, the others not so much. Okay besties, and now the next thing you're gonna do is grab a pot and put water in to boil, because we're gonna put this into our water bath and then put it into the oven. Okay, so I got the boiling water, and now we're gonna crack 2 whole eggs and 6 egg yolks. Okay, now that we got our eggs in here, we are gonna put in the evaporated milk, the sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna put all of it for both cans. Alrighty, and now we're gonna put a 1/4 teaspoon. Same thing with our Mexican vanilla. Are going to whisk very lightly, not aggressively, because we don't want too many air bubbles in there. Okay, besties, now that it's nice and smooth, we are going to strain it. You want to make sure you have like this type of strainer. That way it's a guarantee that it's very, very smooth. Alrighty, these have fully hardened. It's not hot, so we're just gonna pour our mixture into the containers, and we're gonna cover them individually with aluminum foil. Aluminum or aluminium. We're gonna cover these in foil and put them in the pan. And also, you really don't want these bubbles at the very top. If you have like a blowtorch, not blowtorch, but like something, I only have a lighter. If you go over it like that, we've got no air bubbles. So I'm gonna do that for all of them, and then put the foil on top. Okay, this is how it should look like when you're done. You want to make sure it's tightly sealed. That way no water can go in there. But now we're gonna put the boiled water in here. We're only gonna fill it about halfway of the trays. Please be very careful. It's boiling hot water. Make sure our oven is at 325, and we're gonna leave these in for about 40 to 45 minutes. We're gonna take it out, let it cool for, I don't know how long, but we're gonna let it cool for a bit, and then we're gonna put it into the fridge overnight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow when it's done. Hi besties, it's the next day now, and I'm here with my husband. We're both gonna rate the flan. What I've seen is you cut the sides and then you flip it over. Whoa. Whoa! Wait! Ooh. Oh, it's really creamy. Not bad.
Yeah.
It's good. It's very creamy. Ah! Very creamy. That had perfume in it.
Why is there perfume in it?
Because I was spraying my hair. So it's very thick and very creamy. I think this recipe is 7. Thank you for watching this video, besties. I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you want more recipe videos. Love you, bestie. Bye. Adios.